Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, let's talk about something funny that happens when we speak English. You know how sometimes you keep saying the same words over and over? Like starting every sentence with, you know, I think, or actually, or basically. Or maybe you're always saying firstly, secondly, or then when you're trying to explain something. And how many times do you keep saying the most boring word, very? I've heard it a zillion times from my students. It's pretty common to use, especially if English is not your first language. To really sound fluent in English, you have to mix it up a bit. You need to add some flavor to your words. Using the same words all the time not only makes your speech sound a bit boring, but it also makes it harder to say precisely what you mean. So, in this lesson, I've got a plan. I'm going to point out some words we often overuse in our everyday English and show you some really cool alternatives to use instead. First up, let's talk about very. Now, it's not a bad word, but when you use it all the time, things start to sound a bit dull. Instead of saying very hungry, why not try famished or ravenous? Instead of saying very smart, how about saying brilliant or ingenious? And for very interesting, you could say fascinating. See how that sounds more fluent and confident? Just by changing your vocabulary, you sound more fluent in English. Now let's practice. I'll give you a sentence with very and you think of a better word. How about, this cake is very tasty? What can you say instead of very tasty? Think about it. Maybe you could say it's delicious or mouth-watering. Great, nice job. Here's another one. Really. We use it to emphasize something, right? But it's not that powerful, is it? Instead of really good, try saying exceptional or outstanding. Rather than really bad, try terrible or dreadful. It adds punch to your spoken English. Now let's move on to I think. Now it's natural to use this, especially when giving your opinion. But using it all the time can make you sound unsure. Instead of I think, try saying I believe or in my opinion. For example, I think the movie starts at 8. Try saying I believe the movie starts at 8. Rather than saying I think the book is overrated, say in my opinion the book is overrated. Sometimes you can just drop think altogether. I think we should leave early. Instead, just say we should leave early. It sounds more confident, right? Here's the next overused word, said. When you're telling a story, do you find yourself saying he said, she said over and over again? Stop saying that. Use words like mentioned, explained, exclaimed, or whispered, depending on the situation. It makes your story so much more engaging. For example, you can say, Sarah mentioned she likes pizza. The doctor explained how the treatment works. He leaned in and whispered the surprise plan to me. Now, why don't you come up with more words that can replace said and put them down in the comments? I'd love to see what you come up with. Next up are two words, good and bad. Now, these are easy words to use, but actually, they don't say much. They are just overused. Instead of good, try these new words. For example, we had a good time. That turns into, we had a fantastic time. Doesn't that sound more exciting? Or, she's a good singer. This becomes, she's an excellent singer. Now that sounds much more impressive, isn't it? Similarly, instead of saying bad, you can try these better words. For example, instead of saying the movie was bad, you could say the movie was terrible. This expresses more about how you felt about the movie. Or, the service was bad. The service was subpar. Now, this sounds more specific and conveys your opinion precisely, right? And lastly, let's talk about nice. It's used for everything. Nice weather, nice person, nice food. But it doesn't really tell us much. If someone's nice, maybe they're kind or thoughtful. If the weather's nice, it could be beautiful or lovely. See how that gives more detail? Here are some examples. Instead of saying she's a nice person, you could say she's a thoughtful person. That's a nice outfit. Instead, you could say that's an elegant outfit. Now that sounds much more complimentary. Instead of saying it's a nice restaurant, try saying it's a delightful restaurant. If you say delightful, it would make someone want to go there, doesn't it? We had a nice time. Replace that with we had a wonderful time. Now that sounds like you really enjoyed yourself. This is a nice meal. Instead say, this is a scrumptious meal. See, just by changing one word in a sentence, it makes you sound more confident and fluent. Remember, speaking fluently isn't just about talking fast. It's about using a variety of words to express yourself clearly. So next time you catch yourself repeating words, try switching them with better alternatives. Your English will sound so much better. What do you think? Which word do you use the most? Let me know in the comments and challenge yourself to replace it starting today. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep practicing and stay awesome.